We'll complete your challenge as long as we can win that secret and win V's phone back from you.
I stole this challenge from Carter Share, and it's the Build the Fastest Car Challenge.
Wait, I don't know how to build a car.
Me neither, but I took all this junk that I found in your safe house. We're gonna each build a car and put it through a series of races to see who's the best.
Scooter, that's more of a Daniel thing.
It's a mine thing now.
Huh, whatever this is. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm adventurous.
Ooh, a hoverboard. I haven't used one of these since 2016. Well, you think that's funny?
Yeah. No.
Okay, if we're building a car, I need something to sit down. This one's black and white. Nice and styling.
That's a pretty cool car.
I can steer.
And then you can fall.
Hey, no cheating.
Just giving it a test run.
Okay, what should I pair with my hoverboard? Definitely not a stool with no wheels. So the only chair left, I think, is this one. And PZ9's gonna be stuck with this silly chair.
You think I care? I'm gonna be sitting in first place with this chair. I'll use my creativity. Doesn't matter what you leave me. This stool, fine. But these YouTuber skateboards, how fitting for a YouTuber like me.
Okay, I've got my chair, I've got my hoverboard. I don't really need anything to build here. Look, it just goes like this. Woo!
Oh, you already done?
I have a feeling PZ9 has something sneaky up his sleeve. I'm gonna tape that onto the arm to protect me.
What?
You trying to help me?
I was just merely examining your technique, Chad.
Trying to find someone to copy, I see, huh? Just like you copied Carter Share for this challenge.
Okay, Chad, I got some strings here, or rope. I'm gonna tie it to here so it can be attached. Okay, Spy Ninjas, I got everything connected right here. Now it's one vehicle. Let's test this baby out! Oh, oh my gosh!
I'm already finished. Hurry up.
Wait a second, what's going on here, V?
I gotta give it the V touch, you know?
V, this is about speed, not about comfort.
I gotta be comfortable before I can get super fast, Chad.
Oh, I forgot about that. Sorry about that. Come on.
Thanks.
Work with me.
Wow, you guys are so adorable.
Oh, thanks.
How pathetic.
Daniel, come here. PZ9's finally ready to begin the race. Thanks, man.
Okay, got it. PZ9, you're so... We're all here with our vehicles.
Yeah!
Ready to partake in these races. The first challenge is gonna be a simple race from point A to point B.
Going down, PZ9.
All right, guys, I'm gonna set the timer here to see how fast Chad can go.
Here we go! Oh, this is not... It's not powerful enough. Go, Chad! Here we go, picking up speed. Oh, there we go. Now I'm picking up some good speed.
Yeah!
Yes! Woo! Turn. Little touch.
Nice one, yes.
Going back. Here we go. Yeah! Whoa. Superman! And touch!
Yeah! 2083!
Boom! Yeah!
Beat that, PZ9.
Beat that!
Maybe I will, but after you, V.
Okay, I'm ready. You guys ready? Count me down.
3,
Good luck,
2,
V.
1, go! Yeah! Whoa! This is a good speed! Wow! Turn! Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
1676!
She beat my time!
Whoa!
Speed Racer V! Woo!
There's no way PZ9's gonna be able to beat 16.5 seconds.
Well, let's find out, shall we?
Wait, can you even get up there?
Yeah, that's a high seat for big boys. I don't think you're quite there yet.
Yeah, because you guys are all Little League.
You can't even touch your feet to the ground.
Oh, they're floating.
PZ9, you suck. All right, well, you guys set the bar pretty high. Let's see if I can make it.
Let's see if you can set it pretty low.
All right, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, yeah!
Turn around! Oh! You didn't plan out how to turn that thing, did you, PZ9?
I don't know how to turn. PZ9, you suck.
Come on, PZ9, turn
Oh
around.
my gosh!
Turn it.
Oh! Not so good, PZ9.
That ain't gonna work.
No!
You gotta flip those skateboards upside down.
This is a catastrophe!
Oh! Even the GoPro fell off. Oh, I think you're gonna fail, PZ9.
Is the clock still running? I think I can beat it. I can beat it.
I don't think you can win anymore, PZ9.
PZ9, you suck.
Here, I'll give you a little push. I feel bad for you. I'll give you a little... Fan dance!
Oh, that was close.
Stop! Time!
50-40. Oh!
That was fast, right? Back to the drawing board.
You might want to re-strategize your car building.
Yeah.
Dang, PZ9, you really suck, man.
I'll get him next time, G.
Way to go, B!
Yeah!
Round 1 down.
Yeah, I did amazing. The fastest, the tiniest, but the fastest one here. You're the slowest.
No matter, because the next round is gonna be all mine. The fastest time to pop all 3 balloons will be the winner of this round.
All right, guys, since I was the winner in the last round, I'm gonna go first, and my spy gadget of choice is the extendable baton.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna be kind of hard steering and holding this at the same time.
You can do it, B.
Okay,
Best of luck, TV.
you be quiet.
3, 2, 1, go! Pop that balloon! Come on, B, you got this!
Oh no!
Turn around!
I can't!
Oh my gosh! You've got too much power!
I don't know which way. I can't control.
Whoa! Hey! This way, B, this way, come on!
Woo!
Go, B, go, 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 go! Yeah! One more, B, one more! Oh my God! No! Oh, you dropped your baton!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah! I'm dying here!
Yeah!
1 minute and 1 second.
Turning around is really hard on this. Let's see if you can beat that time, PZ9.
I got second place last time, so I'm going second.
Hey, that was almost really impressive. Hey, okay.
Oh!
That's right. Be afraid of me.
Okay, my weapon of choice is the comma. Check that out. Now you may be thinking to yourself, Chad, it's not safe to use ninja gadgets on a crazy wheeled device like this. That is very true. That's why I've chosen the plastic one, so I can't hurt myself. But I can hurt a balloon.
Ready, Chad? 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go!
Go, Chad!
Towards the balloon! Here I go! Check this out, Daniel. Get a good shot of this balloon right here. As I pop it.
Yeah!
Here we go, here we go.
Surprisingly effective.
It sure is.
go, Chad!
Watch out, PZ9. You don't want to get sliced. And... Oh, shoot. Oh, no. All right. Oh, I could have shaved off a lot of seconds there, but I got it right here. Oh,
Wow, that was amazing!
thanks, B. Beat that, PZ9.
That's gonna be tough. Let's find out.
PZ9, you made some improvements here to your little skateboard scooter
Not so
thing.
good, PZ9.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be so much faster, but safer. I don't think so.
What spy gadget are you gonna use to be popping these balloons?
I didn't bring any spy gadgets to the safe house, but I did find this wooden ruler with sharp corners.
You ready? Are you even stable?
Yeah, eventually.
Hey, don't break our skateboards in half, PZ9. I know you're kind of on the heavier side.
The only thing I'm gonna break in half is your time.
All right, you rule breaker, let's go!
Count me down, losers.
Nope.
There's no losers
No,
here,
you
so
sure?
there's no one
Nope.
to count you down, I guess.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
There you go.
Oh my God.
Oh, good balance. You could. The balloons are this way. The balloons are this way, PZ9. Come on, you got this.
Hey!
Whoa!
Ah!
That was really good. The balloon's over here. The balloon's right here.
Sharp corner! Hey! Hey!
Oh! Get this next one instead. Oh! You gotta watch out for the boxes, PZ9.
Dang, PZ9, you really suck, man.
What's the time, B?
37,
You know what? I think we should
33.
give him an award of 5 seconds for making such a cool tumble.
Man, I suck at this! Next challenge! This next challenge is all gonna be about destruction. Knock that over. Knock these 2 over. Then you knock that one over for the grand finale. Pyramid of boxes. Run right through it. Don't hurt yourself.
I think the grand finale is knocking you over.
Not yet.
Oh,
All right, B, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna get some extra bonus flash points on this one.
Ooh, getting a little flashy, huh?
Yeah,
All right, when you cross this line here, Chad, that's when the timer starts.
you got it, B.
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! Spin kick. forward. I'm a little bit heavy. There we go.
Big problem.
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Watch out. Oh, I'm gonna go backwards. It's all good. It's all good. Backwards. Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, coming around this way. Miss!
Oh, miss!
Oh shoot, it flew away. Hey, PZ9, get out there. Hey!
How do you use those gosh darn things?
Takes a lot of practice, PZ9. Check this out, check this out. Oh! Knocked it over, no problem. Spearhand! Woo! Ha! 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 Whoa! I gotta get full speed. Full speed ahead. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Hey, what did I get for time? That's pretty good destruction.
The moves were flashy, but the time was trashy.
Hey! V, I think you should be up next. It is V's turn.
That is right.
You think you can beat my time, V?
I think so. I would try the lesser flashy approach and just go for speed.
B's pretty good at pushing over Lego blocks, if you remember.
Flashback to her pushing him on top of PZ9 right here. That's what you get for breaking into our safe house, PZ9.
I know, right? It's so easy to hate to love me, or love to hate me.
Well, it's easy to hate people who break into your house. If you want people to like you, just don't break into their house. That's pretty good advice, right, PZ9?
I don't know. And in 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! That's my girl.
Yes!
She can kick it. Whoa, V, you are good. Oh! Reverse.
360 spin to kick that.
Yeah, one more, V. The umbrella hits it over.
Back it up.
Don't hurt yourself, Qwaint.
Hey, PZ9 should stand right next to the boxes.
Yeah.
Engines ready? PZ9, give me my secrets back! Respect my privacy!
Oh, stop me, stop! Woo! And here is your time. Woo! Oh! That was a great time. You definitely beat me, V. Now, as long as PZ9 doesn't beat your time.
This is so much fun. It's a battle royale against boxes on wheels.
Woo! PZ9 over there trying to get his scooter. Oh man, I think he really messed up with his scooter design here. It's way too tall.
Well, it's so much cooler and bulkier and stylish and, you know, maybe it's powerful.
Ow, you're running over my foot, man.
Oh, your foot's in the way.
Don't run over my foot. Can you believe the nerve of this guy? V, how do you think he'll do?
I think he's gonna suck. He's gonna be slow, he's gonna get too flashy, he's overly confident.
Yeah, I agree with you, V. I think he's gonna lose, although his scooter is pretty good for this type of event. Okay, PZ9.
Yes.
Give him a countdown, V.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa, he's fast. He's fast.
Hey!
He's fast.
Hey!
Can he turn? Hey, you're on the wrong side of the net. Turn around, PZ9. Oh, there you go. That's a good idea. Now he's coming. He's coming full speed.
Still missing this one!
He's coming full speed. Oh, yeah. Now the boxes. Oh, he got him down. He got him. Woo!
Yes.
No!
Oh,
Oh my
that
God.
was so fast, PZ9. Oh my gosh. I knew your scooter was really fast.
Whoa, he totally figured out how to work that thing by this round.
We got one final chance for you to beat him and keep your secrets safe, V.
And for the final round, why don't we go against each other? We've popped balloons on stationary items. Now it's time to go 1v1 and pop each other's.
Get ready for the Balloon Battle Royale.
Battle Royale! I love it!
Whoever is the last standing with a balloon still attached wins. I think Chad's gonna win because we're the awesome spy ninjas.
This is his last chance. He has to beat me, and then he has to beat V if he wants to win this entire battle.
Yes, and then my secret is safe. 3, 2, 1, go!
Turn around, turn around. Oh my God. He knocked my cardboard off. He's coming around.
You're lucky I'm left-handed.
Oh! He knocked my stick out.
He dropped his stick!
gotta
Daniel, come get it!
Oh shoot. Oh no. He's coming after me, but I've got a trick up my sleeve. Turn!
Oh, come on! You did it!
it is me versus V for that secret.
That was so dumb. I had him. I think V has a pretty good chance of knocking this one off. I already cut your vehicle down in half last round.
That's true. I only got half my armor, and this is about V's height too, so I gotta keep this side away from V. That's my plan.
It's time to get entertained, everybody.
Spy Ninjas, if you think the winner of this whole entire battle is underneath this umbrella, Ella, give this video a big thumbs up right now! Woo!
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm gonna go around to the backside. That's my trick. Whoa! Oh, here we go. I'm gonna get it from behind. Ah! I need more power. I gotta get a running start. Oh no! Go! My new strategy is going backwards.
No! Hey, it's the balloons!
Hey,
you guys are messing around.
Backing up!
my vehicle's falling apart over here. Hey, yeah!
No! Oh no!
Here we go. Ah! Oh, I nicked it! You'll never catch me, V! I'm too fast for you! Oh, no.
I don't think you guys will ever catch each other!
Here we go. I got her now. Check this out. Oh, shoot. I'm turning. I didn't mean to turn. Yeah. Here we go. Watch out, V. I got you now.
Oh my gosh, he's down! He's down! This is my chance!
She popped my balloon!
I got it!
I guess the winner here is V Qwaint.
Congratulations, V.
Thank you. We all know who's the best spy ninja of the group. V Qwaint!
Well, we have our first place winner.
V! Good job, V.
That is me, the winner.
Where's that secret?
You know, PZ9, the reason you're number 9 in Project Zergle, you probably don't even know how to hack properly.
Yeah, you're more of a fighter than a hacker.
Yeah, there's probably nothing in here right now.
Ah, so what? Here, take it. Jeez, now I guess the spy ninjas will never know what you're hiding, V.
You know what, PZ9? I'm pretty confident there's nothing in here. You did not hack anything, so I'm gonna give it to Chad.
What?
Oh, thanks, V. Take the camera,
PZ9. V, are you sure you want me to open this? I mean, I want to protect your privacy and all. I don't want everyone to see if, your secrets from your phone that you stole.
Yeah, show us, V.
I'm very confident. There's nothing in here. I have nothing to hide, you guys.
Okay.
Nothing to hide from you, Chad.
Well, I know that, but what about from the world? Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Oh, there is something in here. Whoa, look at this. It's a piece of paper with holes all over. Okay, it says, V Qwaint has betrayed. Betrayed who? It's missing. And she has been... V, who did you betray? Who did you betray, V?
The rest of the secret you'll find out tomorrow.